Hello. In this video, we will discuss the solution for our recent diagnostic test. Okay. First situation, in the figure shown, two cylinders A of weight 400 pounds and B of weight 200 pounds rest on smooth inclines. Okay. They are connected by a bar of negligible weight, hinge at each cylinder at its geometry center by smooth pins. Okay. Find the following: force P, force exerted to the bar, and reaction contact surface of cylinder B. Okay? So, himayin muna natin yung statement. Okay? So, meron daw tayong dalawang cylinders A and B. Okay? Si cylinder A daw po, meron daw po siyang bigat na 400 pounds. Okay? At si cylinder B, 200 pounds. Papakatandaan nyo na yung mga bigat po natin, lagi po yan tumatama sa ating centroid. Okay? So, center of mass sa ating object. Okay? Tapos, isa pang mahalagang statement dito, ang sabi, smooth inclines. Tandaan nyo, kapag meron dalawang bagay na magkadikit, at may tendency umibo, okay, meron po tayong dalawang force na nabubuo sa pagitan nila. Una ay yung tinatawag nating normal force and yung ating frictional force depende sa impending motion or dun sa motion na gagawin ng ating object. Okay? Tandaan nyo po, si friction nabubuo kapag rough yung surface natin. Tapos, ang sabi sa statement, smooth smooth inclines daw po ang meron tayo. So, ibig sabihin, i-assume po natin na negligible or wala po tayong friction. Meaning to say, ang matitira na lang sa ating contact surfaces ay normal force. And when we say normal force, that is 90 degrees or perpendicular to our surface. Okay? So, ilagay na natin yung free body diagram. Ito po si NA, normal force A. Take note, this is 90 degrees sa ating surface. Okay? And this will be also NB. Okay? 90 degrees sa ating surface. Then, magkakaroon tayo dito ng weight, 400 pounds. And magkakaroon tayo dito ng weight na 200 pounds. Okay? Pero, hindi pa natin nahihimay yung statement para sa bar. Ang sabi kasi, negligible weight. So, ibig sabihin, wala daw po itong weight. Tapos, yung persa lang niya, nakakonekta sa magkabilang dulo. Kapag ang member po natin ay pin-connected magkabilang dulo at yung mga pwersa natin ay nakatutok lamang sa mga dulo, ito po ay tinatawag nating actually loaded member. Pag sinabi nating actually loaded member, yung force po nito ng ating member dumadaloy sa kanyang kahabaan. Hindi po palayo, hindi rin pala yung ganito, hindi po ganyan, kundi dumadaloy sa kahabaan na ito. Okay? So first, gawin natin, kunin muna natin yung FBD ni cylinder A. Okay, paano ba yon? So, since yung atin po mga pwersa ay tumatama sa centroid ng ating cylinder, pwede nating, kumbaga, ihalin tulad siya dun sa method of joints sa taas. Okay, yung mga pwersa natin ay tumatama sa iisang point. Okay, so this is our NA. Okay, this is our 400 pounds. And this is the force exerted ng ating bar. Tawagin natin A, B. Okay? Then, yung angle with respect to horizontal, okay, ni AB, this is 15 degrees. Okay? So, lagay lang natin yung ating mga axis, X and Y. Then, kung maaalala nyo po, tama po bang ito ay 90 degrees? Okay? So, meron po tayo ditong angle, 60 degrees. Okay? If we will extend this one, okay, ganyan. So, doon po. Sige, extend na lang natin ng ganito. So, yan. Ito yung y-axis. Ito yung x-axis. Okay? So, ito po, this is 30. Okay? Then, i-assume natin na ito yung ating perpendicular plane. Okay? So, 30, ilagay natin dito yung force NA. Halimbawa lang ha, nandyan siya. Okay? So, extend natin si force NA dito. At since 90 degrees ito, ganito po mangyayari dyan. Okay? So, 60, 30, this will be 60 again. This will be 30. This will be 60, 30. And the angle of NA with respect to y-axis will be 60 degrees. Okay? So kung nalilito po kayo, pwedeng ito po ang gawin nyo pong method. Okay? Pwede pong ganito. Okay? So burahin ko na po para malinis yung drawing natin. Okay? So alam na natin na this will be 60 degrees. Okay? Ngayon, ito po ay solvable na ng equations of equilibrium. Okay? So pwede din naman na force triangle. But for now, gamitin muna natin ay forces. Ang summation ng forces equal to 0. Okay? So summation ng forces x equal to 0. Positive to the right, we have NA sine 60 minus AB cosine 15 equal to 0. And this is our first equation. Okay? Next, summation ng forces y equal to 0. Positive upward, we have NA cosine 60 plus AB sine 15 minus 400 equal to 0. Okay? So para magamit natin yung two equations, two unknowns, kailangan nating ilipat si constant term sa kanang side ng ating equation. Okay? So we will have NA cosine 60 plus AB sine 15 equal to 400. Okay? And this will be our second equation. Now, paano natin siya ilalagay sa calcu? So yung caltech natin dito, caltech, yung caltech po dyan, that is mode. Tapos hanapin nyo po yung equation. Okay? Then hanapin nyo po yung form na ganito. Yung AX plus BY equal to C. Yung parang ganyan. Mode 5. Ah, yung sa iba naman, two equations, two unknowns na yung nakalagay. Sige, pero ayan. Ganun din lang naman yun. Okay? So pag pinindot nyo na po yun, ang lalabas dyan ay ganito. A, B, at C. Tapos, meron po tayong dalawang layer. Okay? May dalawang layer tayo. So, anong gagawin dyan? Iseset po natin yung ating mga variables tulad ni NA at ni AB kung saan mapupunta siya kay A or kay B. Okay? So, halimbawa, si A, ginawa natin siyang variable NA. Tapos ito, ginawa nating AB. Okay? So, paano natin ilalagay yan? Ganito po. So, first equation, yung unang layer natin, this will be sine 60. Okay? Then si B, this will be cosine 15. And yung C natin, that will be 0. Okay? Next, we will have cosine 60 plus sine 15 equal to 400. Okay? Take note, our A is our NA and B is our AB. Sine 60, 60, sine 15, and 400. Okay. So NA po is equal to 546.410. Okay, so ano bang unit po natin? Pounds. Okay, pounds. Then, si AB po, the force exerted dun sa ating bar, that is equal to 489.898 pounds. Okay? So ito po ay isa sa mga sagot na natin. Okay? Kasi tanong, what is the force exerted dun sa ating bar? Okay? So kapag nakuha nyo na po itong sa AB, kasi kung mapapansin nyo, yung force natin sa AB, ipapasa niya ulit dito eh. So kung tutuon si bar AB dito, tutuon din po siya pabalik dito. So anong law or theorem ang nag-govern doon? That is the third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal opposite reaction. Okay? So pag nakuha mo na si AB dito sa cylinder A, ipapasa mo lang siya dito sa kabila. Pero magre-reverse lang yung kanyang arrow, same magnitude. Okay? So let's draw our free body diagram B. Okay? So same po din, tumatama pa rin sa common point. Tumatama pa rin sila sa common point. Okay, so this is 200. Ngayon, unknown po ngayon si P. Okay, sa hinahanap. Then this will be the normal force dun sa ating surface and cylinder B o yung reaction sa B. Okay? And this is our first exerted ng ating bar. That is 489.898. Angle with respect to horizontal, this is 15 degrees. Okay? Now, what is the angle of P with respect to vertical? That is 60. 60 po ito. Okay? Then, paano po si NB? Okay? So, using the same technique, the angle of NB with respect to vertical, automatic, that is the same angle nito. Okay? That is 45 degrees. Sir, kailan lang po ba yung nangyayari? Kapag po perpendicular sa surface yung force natin. Okay? Lagi pong ganyan. This is 45 degrees. Okay? Yan po din. Using the equations of equilibrium, summation of forces y equal to 0. If y is positive, we have negative 200 minus 489.898 sine 15 minus p cosine 60 plus nb cosine 45 equal to 0. Okay? So transpose sa kanan lahat ng constant term. Iwan natin yung mga variables. Okay? We will have negative p cosine 60 plus nb cosine 45 equal to 326.795. Okay, so this is our first equation. Next, summation tayo ng forces x equal to 0. Positive to the right, we have 489.898 cosine 15 minus p sine 60 minus nb sine 45 degrees. Okay, so wala nang to the right, wala nang horizontal. So this is equal to 0. Okay, so wait lang. I-arrange lang natin. Ito, paliitin natin ito. Tapos ito, ilipat natin din eh. Ito, ilipat natin dito. Then ito, ilipat din natin. Ito malapit. Oops. Ito, ilipat natin dito. Yan. So let's rearrange our equation. We will have negative p sine 60 minus nb sine 45. This equal to negative 473.205. Okay? So since both sides of our equations or both sides of our equation merong negative sign, pwede na itong P sine 60 plus NB sine 45 degrees equal to 473.205. Okay, so ano nangyari? Kinancel po yung negative sign both sides of our equation. Okay? So using two equations two unknowns, we will have negative p cosine 60 plus cosine 45 degrees, 326.795. And the other one is sine 60, sine 45, 473.205. And this is equal to p equal to 107.180 pounds. And the other one, the normal force, cylinder B and the surface is equal to 537.945. Okay, so this is our answers para sa situation 1.